call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely.
Alright folks, welcome back. It's dinner time once again. Who knew? And tonight we're gonna make an easy Mongolian beef and broccoli. Yeah. Just take this packet and you mix 4 tablespoons or a 1/4 cup of soy. I'm using liquid aminos with 2 tablespoons of water, and that'll be your seasoning. So let's get to work, okay? Alright, so we got our 2 tablespoons of water in there. Now we're gonna add our Mongolian beef seasoning mix up in there. Into that, we're gonna measure out 1/4 cup of our liquid aminos or soy or whatever. If you're using soy, try to use the low sodium one, okay? Put that up in there. Whisk that up and set that aside. I'll be back. So we oiled up our pan with some canola oil spray, and we heated that to a medium high, and we're just going to cook this beef in there until it browns on all sides, okay? Alright, once your meat's all brown, you're going to go ahead and add your sauce mixture. Stir that up and keep cooking that until that starts to thicken up. Alright, now that our sauce is getting all thick, we're going to add our onion, broccoli. We're going to mix that in and let that cook another minute or so. Let these flavors all macerate together. And we'll be good to go, folks. This is steamed broccoli, by the way, so it's already cooked. Alright. And to cook the sticky rice, we just got the Babigo, cooked sticky rice. And this is how you do that. You start this in the microwave for 90 seconds. And you're good to go. Alright, there you go, folks. Dinner's done. A super easy homemade Mongolian beef and broccoli. Yeah, looks good. Meal fit for a king. That's me, so I'm about to eat. See y'all later. Bye.
You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite.
That's what they call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely. Be the fan, that's what they call me. I promise that you never